Hi there, Emmanuel here, and you probably found this video because you're looking into this Copy Pro Traders. Maybe you're looking for a Copy Pro Traders review, or you found it for yourself. You thought to yourself, you want to get involved in this investing and trading, and is it any good? Is it for you or not? So I am going to go into all of that in a second, but if you're new to the channel, firstly I just want to say welcome. If you do find any value from this channel, then please take a second, just hit the subscribe button below. Also remember to just tick on the bell icon, so that anytime I do release a new video, you'll be the first to be notified and you won't miss out on that. And I'm doing that consistently. So, if you get value, then just hit the subscribe button below. Right, so let's get started. So this is called Copy Pro Traders. And what it is, in essence, it's other people are going to trade your money and hopefully make you a profit. They're going to be trading crypto, Bitcoin. Yes, oh, well, just all the crypto coins, not just Bitcoin. And hopefully they're professional traders, so hopefully they're going to trade your money using something like an API, like a bit of software, which they do use a bit of software, and it's called crypto trade execution. That's the thing that they use. Now, when it's just Bitcoin, sometimes that makes me a little nervous, because when it's just Bitcoin, you tend not to be able to get a refund and stuff like that, So anyway, this is the site. Now, the CEO or the founder of this site isn't on this site at all. I looked all over the site. You got to see some of their traders, the people that they trade for them. There's a write up of some of these traders, and I've been and looked, and a lot of them you can find kind of a digital footprint on them, but you can't find a lot on the guy himself. And this is the owner. His name's Antoine McBay. Supposedly now he's kind of moved around. He's been in some other kind of this similar types of stuff that got shut down. And then I think he's now moved to somewhere like Qatar now, and he's kind of running it from Qatar. So, I mean, for me, that's a slight red flag. If you're an owner of this, why is your face not on this, not on your actual website itself anyway? So that's the first thing I thought, okay. So we looked at it, you go through, it says how you can copy professional traders, you copy their orders, and you just, what you do is you put some money into your account, into your Bitcoin account. So you have to be able to have Bitcoin and have an account in Bitcoin. You would team that up with their bits of software, so that when their professional traders take trades, you'll be taking the exact same trade. It's all done by the software. You will put in how much you want to put in per trade, and then you'll just be copying exactly what they're doing. So if that's for you, if you're the sort of type of person that thinks, no, I want to copy other people's trades, I want to copy so-called professionals' trade, then maybe this might be for you, So how much does it cost? Now, to actually get involved in it, you need a referrer. It says here you've got to find a referrer, so you can't just come and join. You need a referrer. You create an account, you set it all up, and it actually costs you $99 per month. If you want to do the affiliate side of this, as in you make money for referring people, which a lot of people are talking about when you go online and stuff like that, you actually make money from that in two legs. It goes down, in fact, to 7 legs, but you make money first and foremost from your first referral. You make $21. But again, they don't say this here, but you have to have made $600 in commissions first before they allow you to kind of become an affiliate. Do you know what I mean? You can become an affiliate for free, yes, but you have to have made a certain amount of money before you can get some of your money back. Yeah, so that's what you just got to be mindful of. It's $21 you get as a referral. Then if the second leg and downwards, you make $7. Once you've referred your second customer, you can receive referral commissions on 7 generations down, so 7 legs. Via $7 indirect commissions. And you can also, if you're a top affiliate, you can also get a bonus, but you have to have recruited 15 affiliates. So 15 plus affiliates, and then you can make an extra $10 bonus. So you don't have to be an affiliate, but a lot of people are becoming affiliates because you can make a bit of extra money from that. So these are the traders now. And I've heard mixed reviews on the traders. Some people have said, we've made some money from this. But a lot of people that said that they've made money, they've had to invest, or they put into their wallet or whatever, at least a minimum of $10,000. Sorry, I've got that wrong. $1,000. You can't really, because of all the charges and the fees and stuff like that, you can't really put a small amount. You can trade with a small amount like $30, but they say you need a big account really in order to make decent commissions from this, so that the fees don't eat up all your profits, you know. So you have to take that into mind. You're going to have to be putting a bit of money into this. The other thing is, because they're doing things like copy trading and stuff like that, they're riding on the edge of the FTC. Because usually with things like this, if you haven't got a lot of education, if you don't have a separate education part and it's just a case of give us money and let you trade for you, FTC usually tend to shut things like that down and fine them. They've done that for Forex, and they usually do come after Bitcoin as well. So you just have to be mindful of that could end up, they could end up being shut down for things like that, you know, because they're just riding on the edge of things, you know. So mixed reviews on the results. Some say, yes, they've traded my money, I have made profit, but of course I need a big account, otherwise all my stuff has been eaten up. Some say that some of the trades they've taken have been really, really pedestrian. I like really the sort of trades that most people would never take. And these are so-called professional traders. Some say that most of their trades are buys. I know we're kind of in this craze about cryptocurrencies, but cryptos can be bearish as well. Most of their trade ideas are buys, even in a bearish market. So you just have to be careful of that, allowing somebody else to trade your money. And you look at some of their ideas. I've seen a couple of them, and I thought, you would never buy here. Even an amateur wouldn't even buy here, and they're buying against trend and stuff like that. Do you know what I mean? Of course, they're going to get some that they get right, you know, but I don't know. Some of them that I've seen, and a few people that I've listened to have said no, they've come out of it because they just looked at some of their trades and thought like, no, this is a no-no. You're actually going to lose me money more here than gain me money. You know. So I've heard both sides. Sides say that yeah, some of it does work, but you need a big account. The other side say no, small account definitely won't work, and some of their trades are absolute stinkers. You know, and these are so-called professional traders. You know. So I don't know. I've got mixed results on this. I don't know about this lasting long because of the FTC and stuff like that. Some of the red flags that this guy is not even on his own site. Some of the things like that, and the fact that it's only Bitcoin, and then so those sorts of things, and it's only crypto. So I keep saying Bitcoin. It's only crypto. So those things, for me personally, I wouldn't have anything to do with this. Do you know what I mean? And I don't know how long this is going to last. You know. But yes, of course, I think if you got $1,000 plus to invest in the Bitcoin, and you're the type of person who wants other people to trade your account, then why not give it a go? It's entirely up to you. You know, you can come and have a little look and research for yourself. But me personally, no, it's not something that I personally would put my money to and get involved in. You know. So I hope that helps. I hope that gives you a little bit of an insight into this. Also, if you do want to become an affiliate, you can make some extra money from referring other people. So it's entirely up to you. That's kind of what brought it to my attention, because someone said to me, it's got an affiliate marketing element to it as well. But anyway, like I said, I mean, if you're the type of person that wants other people to trade for you and you want to copy people, that's fine. But if you want to really learn for yourself, which is what I think, you know, when you know how to trade the Forex market for yourself, you can trade Forex, crypto, because it's charts, and charts are the same. We trade, in the group that I'm actually involved in, we trade 2 patterns. And once you learn these 2 patterns and how to identify them, you can trade them on any market at all. And you can actually trade for yourself. You don't have to follow anybody else. You don't have to follow people's ideas. You take your own stuff. But that's entirely up to you. If that's something that you think might be of interest to you, I'm going to leave a link below this video. You can click on that. And once you've opted in, you'll get completely free. I'm going to allow you in for free for the next 7 days, starting next Monday. You get access to this group completely free. You get to watch and see exactly what we do. We watch to trade with us. Yeah, trade and train with us every single day for the next week. You know, and then you decide whether it's for you or not. So it's not a case of give us your money and then, you know, you see if it's for you. It's a case of come and have a look for yourself completely for free. It's a free Facebook private group that we go on there and we show you exactly what we're looking for, and we show you these 2 trading patterns, you know. So again, if that's for you, links will be below that. You can click on that. But either way, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Like I said, you can subscribe as well if it is for you. If you do have any questions, any comments at all, please don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments box below. All right, once again, thanks for listening. Until next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best.